Hey, what's up, y'all? This is Alan. I'm out here getting some stuff cut up for reverse flow. I know it's been a few weeks since I got a video, but I've been turning out a ton of smokers. And I got a little bit of footage on some of them, but not much of it. Just trying to get out as many as I can, as fast as I can. But this is the ends of a reverse flow here. Using my templates to cut out the ends. I'm using this HTP plasma microcut. Excellent machine, I'm telling you. It's a good thing about these templates. You just have to keep moving them over and clamping them down, moving them over, clamping them down. These are some of the straight pieces. I got me some new boots in. You can kind of see there's more brunt workwear. I did a video on them a while ago, a year or so ago. Brunt workwear, excellent boots. I'm telling you, excellent. If you're looking for some boots, it's really you really ought to look into them. I'm gonna put a link in the description box for them. These are actually some of their pants I have on right here. Work pants, fire resistant. Excellent pants, I'm telling you. They've got some really good clothes going over there, durable. Made for this type of stuff, you know. This is one of the smokers that I've done that I wasn't getting videos on. It's one of the offset verticals. This was a 24 by 24. There's some fire pits behind it that I got done. I've got a video coming on this in the 20 by 20 here the next few days. It's just the tables I'm getting put on here. This smoker's just about done. And this is a different one that I got put up. I finished that other one and got it over there ready to paint. I'm getting some of the stuff put on this one. Getting this smoke collector welded on here. Here I'm just getting the door cut in. This one has the side door on it, the last one didn't. I still hadn't quite finished that one yet, but I've got this one going too. This is a big upright vertical. This is bigger than the 24 by 24. This one is 30 by 24. It's actually the first one I did this size. A lot of people have been asking for them, so I finally came on out with them. They're just harder to move around. Really the only reason I hadn't been making them. I've got to do it on the bigger table, and then I have to use the magnet to try to flip the thing over, and then it's just kind of a pain to make because it's bigger. But I'm gonna start turning out a lot of these too. I've got a lot of the 24 by 24 verticals coming. This is what I mean about all the lifting. It's hard to get that magnet on the side of that thing. That thing weighs about 75 pounds or something. It's very heavy. But I mean, it got the job done. It stayed on there. Flip it over. Flipped it and then got what I needed welded on that side, and then picked it up again and set it off the table. This is the one I was working on a while ago, putting the tables on. I went ahead and got it finished up. We'll take a quick look at it. If you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe. Y'all come back for the next one. I have a video coming on this one shortly.